Check that out. A 2020 Hydro Blue Gladiator. And it just joined the fleet of Jeeps here at Northridge 4x4. And in true Northridge fashion, we're gonna build it up. Build it up, well, Northridge fashion, with a ton of cool parts from incredible manufacturers. This build-up's gonna take place over the next couple months. We will be videoing it all so you can see how we build this up. Then this Gladiator is gonna tour to different four-wheel drive events across the nation. That's right, it may be in your neck of the woods where you can actually go and check out this Gladiator in person and enter to win it. Oh, I didn't mention that before? Yeah, we're gonna give this one away. Now you may ask, when are we gonna give this away? When does this start? It starts today. February 1st, 2020, today is the day. You can go follow those links in the description box down below to Northridge 4x4 and find out how you can enter to win this 2020 Hydro Blue Gladiator. Also find out where the events are going to be across the country that this is going to be at. And you'll also see a subscribe button down there, and I think there's one right up here too. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification so you get notifications on all the videos that we do with this build-up and as we get ready to give it away, because it just might be you who wins it. So until next time, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out the description box down below, and thanks, Northridge Nation.